Good morning, children. Today we are going to do chapter 9 adverbs extra exercise. In the previous session, we had learned about adverbs and their four types of adverb: adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. Now this exercise is about adverb of place. It is about adverb of place. So we'll do this exercise of fill in the blanks using the brackets. Dash comes the bus. Now it is showing us, this sentence tells us that dash comes the bus. Now over here you can see in the bracket here and well it is given, right? So what will you use over here? Comes the bus it is talking about. So here comes the bus. So what will you write over here? Here comes the bus. 2 number, Mary fell dash. In the bracket it is up and down. So what will you write? Mary fell down. What will you write? Mary fell down. Number 3, she took the child. She took the child dash. Outside evening. She took the child dash. Outside or evening. So what will you write over here? She took the child outside. Where she took the child? Outside. Number 4, he lived and worked. He lived and worked dash. Sometimes abroad. Sometimes abroad. So what is the correct over here? He lived and worked abroad. He lived and worked abroad. Number 5, put the cake dash there over. Put the cake dash there or over. So what will you write here? Put the cake there. Put the cake there. So once again we will read, children. Here comes the bus. Here comes the bus. 2 number, Mary fell down. 2 number, Mary fell down. 3 number, she took the child outside. She took the child outside. 4 number, he lived and worked abroad. He lived and worked abroad. 5 number, put the cake there. Put the cake there. 6 number, close the door when you go dash. Here out. Close the door when you go dash. So what will you write? Out. Close the door when you go out. 7 number, the ship sailed dash encountering heavy weather along the way. The ship sailed dash encountering heavy weather along the way. Backward, northwards. Backward, northwards. So what will you say over here? The answer is northwards. What is the answer? Northwards. So the ship sailed encountering heavy weather along the way. So the ship sailed northwards encountering heavy weather along the way. 8 number, I have dash to go. Now where over. Now where over. So what will you write over here? I have to. I have nowhere to go. 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 Nowhere to go. 9 number, they built a house dash. Nearby everywhere. Nearby everywhere. They built a house nearby everywhere. So what will you say? They built a house nearby. They built a house nearby. They built a house nearby. Number 10, water always flows. Water always flows sideway or downhill. Sideway or downhill. So what is the correct answer? Water flows downhill. Water flows downhill. So once again we'll read the sentences. 6 number, close the door when you go out. Close the door when you go out. The ship sailed northwards encountering heavy weather along the way. I have nowhere to go. I have nowhere to go. They built a house nearby. They built a house nearby. Water always flows downhill. Water always flows downhill. So, dear children, complete this exercise of adverb fill in the blanks using the bracket in your grammar notebook with neat and good handwriting. You have to write this exercise 1 to 10 all sentences in your grammar notebook with neat and good handwriting.